Public App Investing Tutorial for Beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a step-by-step beginner tutorial on how to use Public Investing app. If you're brand new to investing or looking for a simple, user-friendly platform to get started, Public is one of the best applications out there. So let's break down how to set up your account, explore some stocks, ETFs, and crypto, and make your first investments all without the fluff. And so all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so first things first, let's talk about the overview of Public. So what is it? Public is a commission-free investing application that lets you invest in some stocks, ETFs, crypto, and alternative assets like some art, collectibles, and even startup. Now, what makes Public unique is its social investing feature. You can follow other investors, view their portfolios, and even share your thoughts on trades. It's great for beginners because it's simple, transparent, and educational. And so, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can set up your account on Public. The easiest way is to simply download Public on the App Store or Google Play Store. So just head over to your App Store if you're using an Apple device, and head over to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. From there, you simply want to search for Public Investing app. You can now go ahead and sign up using your email, Apple, or Google account. Now, if you're on the web browser like myself right here, just go ahead and click on the Get Started button. Right after, you then have to go ahead and enter your email address right here, the password, and a US phone number. Unfortunately, as of the moment, US is the only one available to go ahead and use Public. So you have to go ahead and use a US phone number. You'll need to provide your basic personal information to go ahead and verify your identity. This is required by US law for investment accounts. You can then go ahead and link your bank account so you can deposit your funds. Now, the app may take a few minutes or up to 24 hours to approve your account, so you have to keep that in mind. Now, how can we go ahead and fund our account? Basically, once approved, you can just go ahead and click on deposit funds, choose how much you want to invest. There's no minimum, so even $5 works. Now, the fund typically arrive within 1 to 2 business days, but you might get instant access with small deposits. Public also gives you free transactional or fractional shares when you sign up through a referral link. This is a great way to go ahead and get started with real money. And so, let's go ahead and explore our investments. Now that the fun part, choosing what to invest in, begins. Public's application has a clean layout with curated sections like top movers, trending stocks, crypto picks, themes. For example, you have green energy, tech giants, etc. You can tap on any assets to see its performance, community post, recent news, and analyst rating. And now, let's talk about on how you can go ahead and buy your first investments. Now, to make your first investment, you can just go ahead and tap on stocks, ETFs, crypto of your choice. In this case, we can then go ahead and see some crypto examples like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and more. Once again, you can invest in stocks if you want to, like Apple, Google, YouTube, and some other brands out there. You can just go ahead and hit on the invest button. You can choose the dollar amount, not number of shares. Public supports fractional shares, so you can just buy $10 of Amazon or Tesla, like you can see right here. You can just review your order and swipe to confirm. And just like that, you've made your first investment. Now, let's talk about some social features and community. What really makes Public different is its social feeds. You can see other follow other investors. You can view what assets they're watching or investing in. You can read educational content and expert commentary. You can post your unique updates or own updates if you want to share some ideas. Or it's basically like Twitter meets Robinhood, but focus entirely on finance and investments. Now, let's go ahead and track your portfolio. So you can just head over to the portfolio tab to track your investments, your current balance, some gain and losses in real time. You can also set price alerts, manage notification, and explore more data through the Public's premium tools. Now, let's also talk about some security and fees. Public is FINRA registered broker and uses SIPC insurance, which protects up to $500,000 in your investment account. Now, there are no commissions, but some crypto and alternative asset transaction may include minor fees. Public is transparent about pricing, so there's no hidden cost. Once again, as of the moment, only US residents can go ahead and use public.com. So you have to go ahead and verify that you are a US citizen in order to use Public investing application. Now, once again, it's as easy as navigating through the Public dashboard. Click on invest, and from here you can then go ahead and choose between crypto, stocks, ETFs. So for example, if you have chosen something like Apple brand or Apple stock, you can then go ahead and choose the amount that you want to invest in. For example, in this case, we are using $100 of Apple stock. Click on next to confirm, and from there you will be able to simply make your investment. So that's it. You've learned how to set up your Public app account, fund it, explore some investments, and make your first trade all in less than 10 minutes. Whether you're investing in crypto, stocks, or even artwork, Public is a great tool to learn to grow your money. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up, like, and hit the subscribe to go ahead and follow some more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.